Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a paper slide. So first, to draw your design out, the materials you need is a pencil with eraser, or you can just get one without an eraser and then the eraser separate. A piece of paper and a cap. Well, really anything is a measuring tool, but it's gotta have about 3 units. So the 3 units on my cap are, so the whole length I'm using, and then for the eyes, kind of like the caps, around the cap, but I'm making it into a square. And you see this line? That's going to be because that's my 3rd measure unit I'm using. Oh, I could have had a 4th one, but I don't think I'll need it. So to start right now, to draw our design, use your biggest measuring unit on your cap. Repeat the same step 3 times, vertically. Or you can do horizontal and then you just flip your paper over. Now, do it on the bottom. And then also on the top. Now we gotta remeasure and make a marking point of where about where it is. And then put it here and here. Right now your paper should be about equal. Mine may be not so perfect, but it's okay. And then you just make straight lines, one by one. Or just so you know, I do prefer a pencil, but I think a pencil's gonna be too big for this paper. Now we're supposed to have this, right? Now we use our smallest measuring unit as the eyes. So about a slide eyes. Slide eyes is here. Oh my goodness, that may be not so good. Well, you really can't, as long as you do, really, it's okay to have any size of the eyes. Oh, and wait, we were supposed to do it 4 times. I forgot about my design in my head. Now that we've designed the base, well, not the basic parts, but we've designed a few of them out of the 5 basic parts. Okay, so in this video, I'm showing the easiest way to make it. There is a harder way, but it comes out better. Although, I don't want to make my videos too long, you know? So now we're done, right? Now we take our 2nd measure unit, so our medium length, and use the same thing you just used and make horizontal lines like this. Repeat it on all the edges. So repeat it here, here, here. Well, this one's already, so we don't need to repeat it. So repeat it here and here. So we make our measure unit first. Well, maybe we're not sure about these, but these aren't really that important. We may be not so sure about the size, but as long as it's about this small, it's okay. Now on the top. Oh, I forgot to mention, we were supposed to get scissors earlier and tape. So let me get them right now. Wait a second. Really quick. No, I just gotta find my scissors. Found them. Oh, this tape is double-sided, but it's just optional. It doesn't have to be double-sided, but I just like using it because this is the easiest one for me to find. Oh, and if you want your slime color, go ahead and color it right now. Since I want my just as always, I want my video to be a little more short, so I'm not coloring it. Okay? Okay, now we cut the outlines out. See, I'm cutting the outlines out. Really there. Now, fill in every line there is on the inside except for the mouth and the two eyes, okay? And this, and I usually just like doing this. I usually just fold first. Oh, and let me tell you what direction is. So first we're folding the top 3 pieces. Right here, always fold down this way. Always fold downwards. And the bottom we fold upward. And for the sides, just fold the. So basically, fold the opposite. Like for the sides, fold the opposite way. So the right goes left, and the left goes right. See? Now you can kind of do it to already make it together. So now here's the part this is why I really like the double side. Oh my goodness, did I make this too short? Oh. I think I probably made that part a little too short, so I'm just gonna cut this part off. Okay. Now we can kind of start putting it together. Oh, so always, now that we fold all of them to the inside, put the tape on top of them. So for the top, put it like this. Oh my god, I think this is all the tape we'll need. Oops. I think this one's a little too easy to fold. I'll have to redo that. Okay, so now we take the top part off. And repeat the step on each side. Things like this. this part. Okay, now we're done. So now you kind of can fold this part here. Make this. So here's the hard part. Make this stick to here. You just gotta make sure they stick to the right parts. You want the bottom part to go in last. The top part goes in first. And we fold this part in now. So here's the easy way. Now, if we wanted to make it look a little more better, well, this part, since mine, I didn't do it perfectly, I'm just gonna take a little extra piece off. Nah. I think I accidentally took this tape off. Try to make yours better, so if you colored it, it would actually be useful. And here we have our mini sign. I didn't color mine, but if you did, it should look pretty good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.